You on there?
I got him. Man, he was smoking.
He was smoking it, boy. It was peel and drag.
Fast like a striper. Oh, don't loop around there. Blue. Right on the trees. No, you ain't. He's a donkey.
Sounded like it was the way it was peel and drag.
Not a bad fish. Not a bad fish. Oh, he's got that hook is sunk. Man, that got my heart going.
Yeah, it was
There we
peeling.
go. Nice blue cat. Back in the creek. Off the mighty Ohio. Let her go. Oh, that's a fat little guy. Oh, baby doll.
James got one.
Oh, there's my other line. It's a good one too. Nice. Oh, stay out of it.
You want me to reel it in or anything?
Nothing I can do. Nothing we can do right now, I don't think. Bring it in with it. Makes the fish feel better. Bigger.
Turns the dink into a donkey, huh?
Yeah. Maybe he's just under it. He sure took off and took it down, man.
Scared the crap out of me, dude.
Yeah, he's gonna be all twisted in that one. It's over. It's over, Rover. It's all right. I knew it was gonna happen. Now he's gonna be all calm. Look at him. Quiet, calm. He's faking it.
Yeah. Go on and grab him, see what happens.
Yeah. He's just faking it. He's just playing me. It's a fish. Ooh, what's in there? She wasn't playing. Muddy. Oh, muddy girl. Dang fish in the half-flooded Ohio River. That's how we gotta do it sometimes. Let's let her go. Well, guys, this is the end of the road. I finally made it home. Today was a long day fishing the almost flooded Ohio River. It was a rough kind of day, you know. We started off in one place and it just didn't really pan out, so we lost some of that good morning bite. So the first spot that you seen was up in a creek, which is connected with the Ohio River. We got one fish there. That was on a Carolina rig and a chunk of, a shad head. And then the second spot you seen was just kind of an eddy type of an area. So them fish can get out of the real hard water on the Ohio River. So that one was on the Carolina type, or on a Santee Cooper type rig with the pink kitty call from Trophy Cat Tackle with, I think, an 8/0 hook and another shad head. All that bait was frozen bait, which is not real old, maybe a month old if that, but properly sealed bait makes a big difference when you want to catch fish. So appreciate you watching. If this is your kind of thing, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more videos. Thanks again. See ya.